Last in our last class we have discussed about Human Development Index or about UNDP, United Nations Development Program. Anyone say
Program.
what is that? First time when was Human Development Report published? With the help of whom it was published? Who had given the idea of Human Development Report? Three things. First, first time it when it was published? 19,
9 1991.
1991 with the help of Indian economist Dr.
Amartya Sen.
Amartya Sen. And who have given the idea of Human Development Report first time? That was
Mehboob ul Haq from Pakistan.
Mahbub Haq from Pakistan. He was the economist. Okay. Human Development Report published by UNDP compares countries based on the educational level of people, their health status, and per capita income. It would be interesting to look at certain relevant data regarding to India and its neighbors from Human Development Report. Now, in next slide, I'm going to show you that in the video it is there. Comparing India with neighboring countries, it can be said that Sri Lanka is doing well in terms of HDI rank. Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, and Nepal are much better in terms of health status, that is life expectancy at birth. Sri Lanka, Myanmar are better in terms of educational status, that is literacy at the age of 15 plus of age population. So I'm sharing that uh, slide with you. Uh, just it is there in that. Yes, one question is there. Proportion of population above the age 7 which can read and write is called option gross enrollment rate.
Lit-
Literacy rate.
Answer
literacy rate.
okay,
Literacy rate.
it is correct. Good.
Let us study about
Now
the
see.
worldwide accepted indicator of development, that is, Human Development Index. It measures economic welfare and status of development in a particular country. United Nations Development Programme (UNDP) developed the HDI for the first time in 1990 in its Human Development Report. Construction of Human Development Index. HDI is a composite index that measures average achievements of a country in three basic dimensions of human development: a long and healthy life, that is longevity, educational attainment, that is knowledge, and a decent standard of living. To keep the index simple, only four indicators have been chosen to represent these three basic dimensions. They are: first, a long and healthy life is measured by life expectancy at birth. Second, knowledge is measured by Educational Attainment Index, which is a combination of adult literacy rate and combined primary, secondary, and tertiary gross enrollment ratio. And third, a decent standard of living is measured by GDP per capita adjusted for purchasing power parity in terms of US dollars.
Human Development Index has three dimensions and four indicators. The three dimensions include a long and healthy life, knowledge, and a decent standard of living. The four indicators include life expectancy at birth, adult literacy rate, gross enrollment ratio, GDP per capita.
This all the three dimensions and four indicators. Just note down in your notebook. Afterwards, when I post this video, you can see from that also. And now, if you are writing, you can write in your notebooks. Afterwards, you can also write when I'll post the link of the video. Okay.
Written.
The table given below represents the data of Human Development Index for India and its neighboring countries. Small country like Sri Lanka is much ahead of India in every respect. Nepal has less than half the per capita income of India but has higher life expectancy at birth.
See, Sri Lanka gross that is per capita income In 2011, life expectancy birth rate, mean schooling years, age 25 and above, and HDI rank in the world. India HDI rank 130th, Sri Lanka 76, Myanmar 148, Pakistan 150, Nepal 149, Bangladesh 136. Seen?
According to Blackboard's report by United Nations World Commission on Environment and Development, sustainable development means the development that meets the needs of the present generation without compromising the ability of future generations to meet their own needs.
That sustainable development definitions many times we have discussed.
The basic requirements of all the generations are the appropriate reserves of natural resources and the quality of the environment.
Example is given, and every generation needs water.
Developed countries can achieve the goal of sustainable development by controlling their unsystematic use of the natural resources.
See, first picture, wastage of water, आधा glass में आ रहा है, आधा बाहर गिर रहा है. So that is the wastage of water. Second slide, road light. In the daytime also it is on. So wastage of electricity, wastage of water, wastage of resource.
Depletion of reserve of natural resources and degradation of the environment should be treated as the costs of development.
Environmental degradation, as in first slide. Industrial pollution. Second, deforestation. Deforestation for making urban areas, for expanding urban areas, to build roads, to build infrastructure, industries, etc., to fulfill our needs. For agricultural expansion, we are cutting the forest.
Quality of environment determines the economic welfare of the present generation.
Now it is your turn. Which of the following does not raise a need for sustainable development? Options are A. Increasing deforestation, B. Depleting natural resources, C. Judicial use of natural resources, or D. Increasing air pollution by industrial development.
Yes,
Any
answer.
guesses?
C. C. Judicial use of natural
Judicial use of
resources.
natural resources.
Okay.
The
Answer.
correct answer is C. Judicial use of natural resources. We need to focus on sustainable development as renewable resources will be exhausted in case of overuse. Let us see the present status of groundwater in India. Crude oil.
Yes, groundwater in India regularly. We know that our groundwater level is regularly increasing or decreasing.
Decreasing.
Why?
Decreasing. Sir, because we are using it again and again. We are pulling
yes,
out
pulling out
groundwater.
large scale.
manner.
Large scale for which purpose? For drinking as well as for
Irrigation.
irrigational purpose. We are using underground water. Like we are wasting water resources. We have in our houses that RO, filter plant.
Yes.
A
Yes,
lot
sir.
of water is
Yes,
wasted
sir.
from that. Crude oil
Yes.
is another example.
Groundwater in India. Excessive use of groundwater for a variety of purposes has significantly depleted the water table.
See, level of groundwater 20 years back, it was there, and present level of underground
Groundwater.
water.
Crude oil. The increasing use of crude oil will lead to the depletion of reserves.
Uh, unmute yourself. Unmute yourself. Mute yourself, please.
Importance of crude oil. Crude oil is essential for the development of an economy, and its use cannot be restricted just because it being a non-renewable resource.
Crude oil accounts for 97% of the total fuel required for the transportation in world. A lot of things are manufactured with the help of oil. Which are they? That is plastics, lubrication oil, which is used in our bikes, cars, petrochemicals for fertilizers, paints, pharmaceuticals, and cleaning chemicals. Crude oil reserves. That is not important for us. At present of consumption, if not checked, then what will happen? See, it is the shortage of crude oil. Price of oil will increase. If price of oil will increase, everything will become cheaper,
No, sir.
costlier.
If the present rate of increase
Expensive.
Yes, sir. Costlier.
the shortage
Okay.
of crude oil will lead to a rise in the prices of oil and its products, which will make everything costlier. This will put an extra burden on everyone. Countries will face financial problems, and
Eventually,
eventually countries will meet severe crisis.
ways to conserve crude oil.
The various ways to conserve crude oil are use of crude oil only where it is extremely necessary.
Use public transport and avoid private transport. Substitute crude oil to other forms of energy, like we have hydroelectricity, solar energy.
Substituting crude oil to other forms of energy. The new measures for effective management of resources are: resources should not only be exploited, but should be replenished as well. Efforts should be made to make judicious use of resources so that it is also there for future generations. Further damage to the environment should be restricted by conserving it. Biological features should be conserved and nurtured.
Development comprises better health, better education, more job opportunities, higher per capita income, etc. The whole thing that we have discussed in the chapter. डेवलपमेंट हमारा डेवलपमेंट किस तरह से हो सकता है, ये सारी चीजें हमें जरूरी है.
Development comprises better health, better education, more job opportunities, higher per capita income, etc. Developmental goals depend upon one's desires and aspirations. So, two persons or groups can have conflicting developmental goals.
In starting of the chapter, we have discussed conflicting goals.
Comparing countries on the basis of total income or per capita income will not indicate about distribution of income and living standards of per person.
The three dimensions of Human Development Index: life expectancy, adult literacy rate, gross enrollment ratio, and GDP per
It
capita
uses
income.
three basic dimensions of human development, which are shown by four indicators: life expectancy at birth, adult literacy rate, gross enrollment ratio, and GDP per capita. Sustainable development needs to be emphasized upon so that resources could be left for use by future generations. Due to excessive and non-judicial use of resources, we are facing depletion of non-renewable resources.
Small, as you told that small test MCQs we are taking. Just see that. First question. Wait a second, network issue is there. Question first. Choose the correct statement in regard to the idea of development. All of you unmute yourself fast. Answer this should be given very fast. First, different persons can have different developmental goals. What they may be what may be development for one may not be development for other. C, what may be development for one may be development for others. D, an idea of development is necessarily a development for all.
D. An idea of
D.
development is necessarily a
An idea
development
of
for all.
development necessarily.
D.
B or
D.
D? D.
D.
Okay.
D, sir. D.
Okay. One minute. What was the life expectancy at birth in India in the year 2017 according to Human Development Report of 2018? 74.3, 68.8, 63.8, 64.4.
B.
B?
I think D.
D. Okay. Choose the correct statement which defines the meaning of sustainable development. First, it means the method to meet the needs of future generation at cost of present generation. B, it means the utilization of natural resources that considered the need for past, present, and future generation. C, it means the use of natural resources without considering the need of future generation. Or D, it means the method to fulfill the needs of present generation simultaneously considering the need of future generation as well.
Option
D.
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 Okay, option D or B?
D.
D.
Okay, D.
D. D.
Next, arrange the following in the correct sequence according to HDI ranking published in 2018 in video we have seen. India, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, Pakistan. Sri Lanka, India,
Sir, D.
Bangladesh.
D.
Again D.
Option D.
Sir, D. Sir,
Okay,
option D.
okay. A report, the Holy Ganga in Varanasi, 32 drains empty their content into this river. Despite many efforts at cleaning it, the level of pollution in Ganga today are much higher than WHO's permissible limit. What are the people? Who are the people who benefited and who did not? Options are there. The local people are benefited and those who dumped the toxic waste are not benefited. The local politicians benefited and those who dumped the toxic waste are not benefited. The people who dumped the toxic waste are benefited and local people are not benefited. The people who dumped the toxic waste are benefited and local politicians are not benefited.
Sir, option C. Option C.
Okay,
Option C.
identify the incorrect statement in regard to crude oil. The crude oil is at the verge of extinction. Second, the USA have low reserves of crude oil and wants to secure oil through military and economic power. An increase in oil prices is a problem for India because it imports from abroad. Fourth, the crude oil reserves would last only 100 years more.
Sir, option B.
Identify the incorrect statement in regard to crude oil.
Sir, option B. Option B.
Okay. Consider the following data. Country ABCD, infant mortality rate 37, 48, 9 and 3. Question. Which of the following country performs better in terms of mortality rate?
D.
Option
D.
D. Okay.
Option D.
Read the following data. Country ABCD again, person 10,000, again 10 and 10,000. Person B 10,000, 10, 10. See, options are there. In which country most of the people would like to live?
A.
Okay, A.
A.
Okay. Everything equally distributed. Which of the following is a common desire or aspiration of different people? More income, more water, designer clothes, imported car.
More income. A.
Option A.
Option A.
Option
If
A.
option A is there, everything will available, excluding water. Which of the following is the best way to reduce over usage of groundwater? Yes, first option A, B, C, D.
Sir, B.
Implementation of
B.
threatened policies to control misuse of water.
B.
Okay. We are submitting. We have taken 30 minutes, 13 minutes. 7 are right, and first wrong answers we will go through. Wrong answers. Answer key of wrong answers. Hai na? What was the life expectancy at the birth in India in 2017 according to Human Development Report of 2018? That is 68.8 years. Okay. Second, identify the incorrect statement regard to crude oil. That was not USA नहीं था इसमें. The crude oil reserves would last only 100 years more. The explanation is given. The crude oil is at the verge of extinction. Its reserve would last only 50 years more. Third, read the following data. That country you have said A 10, 10, 10, 10. Correct answer is B. Again, it is a 1,000, 1,000, 1,000, 1,000. Most of the people would like to live in B, the country which has equitable distribution of income. Okay. Now, okay. Next, we are moving to next test. Network issue is very much. Till then, anyone can say the definition of development. Development definition. Anyone?
Aspirations or desires about what we will like to do and how we will like to live to progress is development.
Okay. Second test we have first question. Select the kind of development in which future generation needs for resources considered. For options.
Sustainable development. D.
Sir, D. Sustainable development.
D.
Sustainable development. D. D.
Okay. Next, which of the following report is published by UNDP? A, B, C, D.
A.
Human
A.
Development Report.
Human development resource.
If the total income of a country is divided by its population, what is the
D.
resultant?
D. Per capita income.
D. Per capita income.
Option D.
Per capita income. Select the correct full form of GNI. Green National Income, Green National Index, Gross National Income, Green
C.
National Income.
Gross.
Option C.
Gross
Gross
national
national
income.
Gross
C.
national income.
Following data, maybe it was repeated in the country most. Yes.
B.
B.
Sir, B.
Option B.
Which of the following institution does publish World Development Report? World Development Report.
C.
B. UNDP.
UNDP.
D.
Which the rich
UNDP.
countries are generally considered? The rich countries are
Developed. C.
Developed
Developed
countries.
C.
countries.
Developed
C.
countries.
okay. The average income is also known as
Per capita income.
Per
A.
capita income.
Option A.
Capita income.
per
A.
capita. Economic growth means progress in term of
Per
Per
capita
capita
income.
Per capita
A.
income.
consider the statement. The net attendance ratio in Bihar, according to the Economic Survey 2017-18, is 43. What would you interfere from the statement? Around half of the children aged 14-15 in Bihar are not attending school beyond class 8. Second, in Bihar, if you went to school in nearly half of your elementary class would be missing.
Sir, D. Neither
Both.
first nor second. D.
Okay.
Sir, C.
Both A and C, 1 and 2. Which one?
D.
Tell. D or C?
Sir.
Sir,
Okay.
D. D.
Okay, D.
Sir,
okay.
D.
कितना आएगा? 8, 10. Okay. 80% correct. Incorrect. Which of the following institution does publish World Development Report? That is World Bank. Explanation is given. The World Bank Annual World Development Report, that is WDR, gives an account of the economic, social, and environmental state of the world. Each year, WDR focuses on different aspects of development like agriculture, health, environment, and poverty, etc. Second, a correct answer was only 2. In Bihar, if you went to school in nearly half of your elementary class would be missing. Explanation, the statement, the net attendance ratio in Bihar according to the Economic Survey 17-18 is 43. Okay. Next test. Anyone can say what is the full form of UNICEF?
United Nations.
Hmm. Cultural, educational. Complete that. UNICEF. No one.
Sir, United Nations Children's Fund is a United.
United Nations Children's Fund. No. Okay. First question. In which of the following categories India comes according to per capita income in 2017 in World Development Report?
Low income
Option
countries.
C.
C.
Low income country.
Low income countries. Consider the statement the net attendance ratio. Okay, it is there only two.
B. Only two.
B.
Only
Select the correct full form of PDS. Last class में था.
B.
Yes, sir,
B.
public distribution
System.
Option B.
Option B, public distribution system. Select the HDI rank of India as published by Human
130.
Development.
D. D.
130.
130.
And thirdly,
D.
Option D.
Select the attribute which is being used for comprising two countries. Two countries.
Average income. Average
Av-
income.
Average income.
average income.
Income.
That is per capita income, we can say. Select one of the criteria of development used by UNDP for comparing countries along with the per capita income.
Literacy rate. C.
Select one of the criteria of development used by UNDP for comparing countries with per capita income. UNDP, three criteria:
Total population. Total population.
total income, total population, literacy rate, density
Sir,
of
total
B.
population.
Total population. B.
Again, I am telling UNDP, Human Development Report. उसके तीन
Literacy
criteria.
rate.
Literacy rate.
Literacy rate.
Literacy rate. Which of the following report is published by World Bank?
C. World Development
C.
Report.
World Development Report.
Okay. Which of the following is an example of a renewable resource?
Natural gas.
Renewable.
Natural gas.
Renewable resource. Coal, diesel, natural gas, groundwater.
C. Natural gas.
Sure. Groundwater क्यों नहीं कहा बेटा?
सर वो रिन्यूएबल नहीं है.
क्यों नहीं है? हर बार बारिश होती है, हर साल बारिश होती है.
लेकिन सर लार्ज स्केल में उसका जो यूज किया जाता है उसका.
Okay.
सर
हाँ.
सर डी ऑप्शन ही है, ग्राउंड वाटर.
Groundwater. Okay. Select the institution which publish Human Development Report.
UNDP.
UNDP.
B.
Option B.
Which
B,
one?
yes.
Which of the following report is published by UNDP?
Human Development Report. A.
A. Human Development Report.
Option A.
Submit. By error. Submit. Huh? Network issue. Okay, error. Again. Okay, error is there. In this, afterwards we will repeat this. I will tell you the score. Okay, I'm telling you the score. Okay, पहला देख लेते हैं मैं. Error in fetching data.
सर वो लास्ट वाला,
कौन सा 10th?
हाँ सर वो ह्यूमन डेवलपमेंट रिपोर्ट था ना.
हाँ. Again see what is there.
सर डायरेक्ट 10 पे क्लिक करो.
सर वो ए आएगा ना.
हाँ, ह्यूमन डेवलपमेंट रिपोर्ट.
तो डायरेक्ट 1 पे क्लिक करो.
1 minute. Okay, error in fetching data. नहीं होता बेटा 1 पे डायरेक्ट. First one is right. That is average middle income था या उसमें ये आ गया. Second one right आपका. Third one PDS right. HDI4 right. Select the attribute which is being used to comparing two countries' average income right. Literacy rate. Okay, ये मैंने ही help की थी. Which of the following report that is World Development Report? Groundwater इसलिए था बेटा हर साल बारिश होती है. Regularly rainfall is there every year. So renew होता है. That natural gas is a part of a fossil fuel that is non-renewable. बहुत time लेती है. 9 UNDP right. 10 Human Development Report. Okay, all are right. Mute yourself. इसके अलावा मैंने एक और कहा था आप लोगों को कि मैं कौन से चैप्टर का वीडियोस दिखाने वाला हूँ.
सर वो रिसोर्स एंड डेवलपमेंट.
रिसोर्स एंड डेवलपमेंट. सो कल उनके वीडियोस दिखा के फिर परसों से वी विल स्टार्ट विद आवर नेक्स्ट चैप्टर दैट इज इकोनॉमिक्स, हिस्ट्री और सिविक्स. हिस्ट्री.
सर
हिस्ट्री का फर्स्ट चैप्टर राइज ऑफ nationalism in US. Okay, we will going to start with that. Day after tomorrow we will start. Today I am sending you the worksheet or question answers and NCERT solutions of this chapter. Solve it in your notebook, and I will share the important points for revision. 1 or 2 pages will be there. See, just I am showing you that. 1 minute, just hold. One activity is also there. That is group wise. Afterwards, we will discuss on that. Important notes for revision. See, screen is visible to you?
Yes, sir.
Full screen? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes sir, दिख रही है.
Okay. Topics in the chapter, that is what is development, what development promises, different people, different goals, income and other goals, national development, how to compare different countries or states, income and other criteria, public facilities and sustainability of development. See, this is the PDF that you can remember at the time of examination. Go through that. Full chapter will be clear. Okay. Today I will share this with you. As well as apart from this, I will share important questions for development. This is visible questions. Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Visible question answers?
Yes.
Uh,
Important questions.
important questions. Very short answer question. What is the first question?
सर वो नहीं दिख रहा, अभी तक आपने सिलेक्ट नहीं किया है।
Okay, वो नहीं दिख रहा है आपको. Okay,
सर
वही.
दिख रही है वो
Okay,
सारे
okay.
टॉपिक्स।
हाँ, तो I'm going to share with you today these slides. Okay. That important questions and CRT solution I'm going to share with that PPT already shared with you all.
Yes.
This
Yes,
I'm
sir.
so questions and NCRT questions and important notes for revision. These three I'm going to share with you. If you want, again I can share the PPT of the chapter if anyone doesn't have.
No, sir, no.
Okay, so this I will share with you today. Just now I will share. Okay, and later in the evening today's video link I will share. कुछ भी हो problem go through that. MCQs हैं उसमें से UNDP के जो 3 मेजर्स थे एंड उसके 4 पॉइंट्स थे वो भी एक बार आप नोट डाउन कर लेना उसके 4 पैरामीटर्स थे वो 3 and 4 पैरामीटर्स. ओके.
सर नोट्स भी लिख ले.
हाँ नोट्स भेज रहा हूँ बेटा.
तो सर वो लिख लेना नोट.
हाँ
वो सर नोट्स भी लिख ले नोटबुक में.
ना नो वो आपको संभाल के रखना है आपके लिए. एट द टाइम ऑफ एग्जामिनेशन यू कैन रिवाइज दैट. वो प्रिंट जेरोक्स निकाल के रख सकते हो आप. 2 या 3 पेजेस के होंगे. हर चैप्टर के भेजूंगा मैं आपको. ये आपके शॉर्ट टाइम में जब रिवीजन पर्पस स्टार्ट होता है ना उस समय शॉर्ट टाइम पे आप उसको चैप्टर को किस तरह से रिवाइज कर सको. जब एग्जाम देने जा रहे होते हैं उससे पहले रात को या सुबह बैठ के वो रिवीजन के लिए उस पर्पस के लिए है वो. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Today I will share with you. Anything from this you want?
No, sir.
No, sir. Okay.
No.
Previous chapter का
सर
notes आपने भेज
वर्कशीट
दिया.
भेज दो ना.
हाँ वर्कशीट.
सर वर्कशीट भेज देना तो
चलो ठीक है.
मतलब रिवीजन करने के लिए इजी रहे.
ओके ये भी भेज दूंगा. चलो ठीक है अभी सेंड कर देता हूँ मैं. ओके. टुमारो वीडियोस दिखा रहा हूँ मैं उसके रिसोर्स एंड डेवलपमेंट के एंड डे आफ्टर टुमारो वी आर स्टार्टिंग विथ हिस्ट्री.
Okay, sir.
ओके बाय.
Bye, sir.